Have you ever looked at a 160cc bike and thought, this actually feels premium? Yeah, that's exactly what happened when I rode the 2026 Honda SP 160. Welcome back to Bike World. Today, I'm giving you my honest riding experience with the 2026 Honda SP 160. This one's interesting because the 160 segment is getting crowded. Daily riders want mileage, young riders want style, and commuters want comfort. So Honda had to make something that checks all three boxes without being boring, and that's where this 160 steps in. Design and road presence. First thing you notice is the sharp styling. Honda kept it sporty but clean. The tank has a nice sculpted feel, the LED lighting gives it a modern look, and from the side profile it actually looks bigger than a normal commuter bike. In traffic, people glance twice, not because it's loud, but because it looks refined. Paint finish is neat, panel gaps are tight, and overall, it has that Honda premium commuter vibe. Nothing flashy, just classy. Engine and performance. Now, riding it, this is where Honda plays safe, but smart. The engine feels smooth from the moment you roll the throttle. It's not explosive power, but it's consistent. In the city, it's honestly perfect. Low-end torque feels friendly, no jerks, no drama, and gear changes are buttery. On open roads, it holds speeds comfortably, but it's still a 160, so don't expect crazy highway performance. What I liked is that typical Honda refinement. No irritating vibrations, even after longer rides. The sound is mellow, not sporty, but pleasant enough. Comfort and riding experience. Daily riders will really appreciate the comfort here. The seat is surprisingly supportive, and the riding position is relaxed, slightly leaned forward but not wrist-killing. Pillion seat is decent too. I've done longer stretches on it and I didn't feel beat up. No lower back complaints, no stiff shoulders. Suspension feels balanced, absorbs small bumps well, but not too soft to feel floaty. Technology and features. You get a clean digital display that's easy to read in daylight, decent safety tech for this segment, and simple features that actually help in real life instead of looking good only on paper. Nothing unnecessary, nothing confusing. Honda sticks to practical stuff, and honestly, that works for this bike. Pros and cons. Pros: smooth and refined engine, comfortable for daily riding, premium finish and classy styling, easy for beginners. Cons: not exciting for aggressive riders, highway overtakes need planning, sound is quiet, some riders may want more character. Who this bike is for. This bike makes the most sense for someone who rides daily, college students, office commuters, or anyone who wants reliability without sacrificing style. Beginners will love it because it's friendly and confident-inspiring. Experienced riders who just need a daily runaround will appreciate the comfort and refinement. At the end of the day, the 2026 Honda SP 160 is not trying to be a track bike, and it's not pretending to be a touring monster. It's a premium commuter with just the right balance of looks, comfort, and smoothness. If that's what you need, it's absolutely worth the money. It's one of those bikes you buy and forget about problems. So, yeah, that's my honest experience with the 2026 Honda SP 160. If you've ridden it, tell me what you felt. Did it surprise you, or did it feel too safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy real riding reviews, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Bike World will keep bringing you more honest content.